Walter, I'm so scared. Okay. Oh, Walter, where are you? Come over here. What are you doing? Oh, hi guys. Welcome to my life with Walter. It is now more than 2 weeks that we have him. He is a gift. My husband surprised me with him. I just want to let you know that our other bird, Louie, he's a cockatoo, and you've probably seen him in my other videos, passed away, and that was the saddest day of our lives. And then I am still grieving for Louie, and it would never be replaced. Louie is one of a kind, special human, not a bird, because to us, Louie is a human. He is the boss of our doggies, and he gave us so much laughter and fun. And it's so hard that we lost him. Anyways, oh yeah. So my husband surprised me with another bird. Yeah. And this is Walter. This is a new member of our family. The first time we got him, he wouldn't perch on my hand. He would bite instead if I put my hand near him. But it's been 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks now that we have him, and he just started going to perch on my hand. And a few days ago, oh, not my ears, please don't touch my ear. We don't bite ears, okay? He's way bigger than Louie. Louie used to perch on my shoulder as well. He's such a sweetheart. Louie is everybody's bird in our family. Visitors is everybody. This one is only to one person, which is me right now, and that's what I heard so far. If you guys have any advice, tell me about how to care for this new guy here. He's totally one person right now. He just started going on my hand, and a few days ago going on my shoulder, which is so sweet because I miss the love and the way I hug Louie. Like, I miss that, and he's now getting used to me, which I am so happy. He is now becoming my friend. Look at this beautiful Congo tail. He's an African Grey, a Congo African Grey. Yeah, he's way smaller, and he's friendly. He's a 5-year-old parrot. He's very sweet. Are you eating my hair? Am I gonna be losing a lot of hair? Are you eating my hair, really? Did you eat mommy's hair? Okay, I just want to capture this moment because this is special to me that we bonded. He would still give me a little pinch of a bite, but not a lot of a bite. Like, he would like do like a pinch. It leaves a little bit of a mark, but not bad. And then sometimes he give me like a kiss. I call it a kiss because I thought he would bite me, but very gentle and sweet. Like, I guess I call it a kiss. But he's a good boy. Say you're a good boy. He's a good boy. He is a very good boy, and I just love that he talks. Yeah. Normally he talks if I leave the camera on, like when I get ready in the morning, I put makeup on, and then I just leave the camera on him, and he can still see me. And then he started talking, and I answer him, and then he kept on asking, "What's my name?" We're still getting to know each other, and I'm already in love with him. Yes, I am in love with this baby. Oh yeah, yes, I am. Isn't it? Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it is so hot here today. We have a little breeze of air, but I am feeling so hot. Are you hot? It's hot, ain't it? We need a shower. We need a shower. We need to turn on the sprinklers. We need to shower the house. We need some mist, don't we? Yeah, we just water the wall here. It rained yesterday and we watered them this side because it doesn't get rain. So that's what we're doing today. We cleaned up a bit of our plant wall. This is our plant wall. And this is now our new hangout area because we like to see golfers pass by our house and watch them do the golfing. I know I just miss so much that Louie used to laugh at the golfers when they pass by, and he would just hysterically laugh at them. So I kind of hide when that happens because I don't want the golfers to know that it was me laughing at them, but it was Louie. But it was really funny. So just one of the many things that I miss with my baby Louie. He is a cockatoo. He was a very sweet baby. Oh, I am so afraid that he would bite my ears, so he probably will not stay long on my shoulder since no, please don't bite my ear. No, yes, no biting the ear. You wanna move to my other hand? Yeah, I wanna show our friends your favorite perch. Okay? So I'm gonna show you guys this favorite thing that he hangs out with. Hello. Say hello. Hello, baby. Hi. This is his favorite perch in here, and I put a layer of plastic inside there. You can see it's shiny. That way if he goes drop some food in there, and if he poops, it catches it in there and it doesn't absorb on the wood. I also put paper towel in there. That way it keeps it clean and easy to just take it out and throw away. Hi! Alright friends, so we're gonna go inside because it's very hot. We need to get cooled off and go finish our gardening later, okay? We're gonna have some snacks again. And I just wanted to show you this new addition of our family, Walter. And so happy to have him. And we're gonna see you again next time. Say bye for now. Say bye. Bye.